energy. AI uses lots of it. Really want to listen to what I have to say about that, because is it signal or is it noise? And what about this AI generated background? Please comment below and subscribe to the channel. It does help the channel. And like this video. Energy. AI uses a lot of energy. So you need to start thinking about what's useful, what's beneficial using AI for, and what is too expensive. And one of the things I've noticed is too expensive is doing video generated AI. It just doesn't make sense. Try it out yourself and look what's out there and how much it costs to create true high quality videos. However, the signal is that it's very cost efficient to use AI to summarize a lot of data and to produce high quality language. So if you're working in an area, and that's your signal, that endures or can handle mistakes, about 10%, which is what AI, so to speak, hallucinations are about, then you are at risk. Then that's your signal. However, if you need to be very accurate and your results have to be more than 95% accurate, and summarizing the internet is not what you do, it's just noise. Think about that. Please comment down below, and thank you for watching.